To make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop to do this because we need to do a payment operation to watch Here TV. So you want to sign in into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. So after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the shop icon, which will open up this networks and add-ons. And then you want to click on all. Right here, you can just scroll down and search for Here TV. On Here TV, you want to click on it. And then you want to add the Here TV to your YouTube TV membership, where you have to pay $8 per month and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next right here to start the membership of Here TV, where you can pay with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. And after you add the Here TV to your YouTube TV membership, you want to go to your top right of your screen again and then click right here on the search icon. And then you can just search for Here. And then on the Here TV with this network sign, you want to click on it. And there you go. Now you can watch the Here TV without using TV cable on your smart TV. You can watch the live session, the exclusive, the originals, and so on. Or on the live session, if you want to record the live session or upcoming live session to watch it later, you can just hover over the specific upcoming session and then click right here on these three dots and then click on Add with the show name. This way, you don't need to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you even when you don't watch it on live. And you can also add the movie or series that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the YouTube TV library. To do this, you can just do the same thing, click on the three dots, and then click on Add with the show name. And then to check on every show or live that you just add or recorded, you can just go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop onto this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Here TV on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.